sick and tired of bitches acting like they wanna know me. Freddy ain't no phony, tried to check me, it's a warning.
Oh shit, here we go again.
I got some buzzes clawing at my fucking stomach. I'm from the shadows, like the gallows made the summit. Hear the trumpets rolling in like it's 300. Left the battlefield ravaged, detecting, then we set the bodies up.
What's going on, everybody? So today we're actually going to be picking up a truck from a guy. I helped him off the side of the road the other day, and he was so frustrated with his truck that he just left it on the side of the road. He said, "Do you want to buy it?" I said, "How much?" He goes, "500." I said, "What's all wrong with it?" He goes, "It just keeps overheating and shutting off." So we're going to go ahead and go pick it up. Go down to my shop and pick up my trailer. This is my Yellowstone Ranch, by the way. I think I did a good job with it. This truck is also automatic. I didn't have enough money at the time to go ahead and make a fan. Eventually I will. I have the time to. The guy gave me the title, registration, everything for the truck. And I'm going to go now pick it up. He gave me a call when he got everything transferred. Today's video will actually just be me picking it up and dropping off at the shop. Next couple of videos we'll be building it from the ground up. There's going to be a lot of work done with this one. What he's claiming is wrong with it. Go ahead and detach the trailer. There we go. Gave me the keys and everything for it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and back up to the truck. said it was a heavy truck, so yeah, a heavy truck. This is why manual transmission is so good. Gotta make it easy for us. There we go. Go. Got a little bit of work to do, but we'll get it done. Hope everybody's enjoyed the video. I'm gonna start working on this. Hope everybody has a great and blessed day, and I'll see y'all next time.